What are we doing today?
We're gonna go to Aunt Nina's house.
What are we doing?
Swimming!
All right.
First swim in the mud and she gets baptized.
What's the temperature out?
It is
95,800
million sweatings.
800 million sweatings. It's hot. So we're gonna go swimming. Good morning, everyone. I am over at my mom's house and I got a bunch of things to do for mom today. I'm gonna be putting in a mailbox. We gotta mow again, and I don't know, some odds and ends stuff that she wants done. Gotta take care of mom. It's a funny story. We bought this house, Kristen and I, back in 2003. Yeah, 2003. And there's a place near where I work. It's a gravel pit, and they made and sold these concrete mailbox posts, and they're really nice. So they form them in concrete, and then they take epoxy and pea gravel and they coat the outside with it, and then in the middle they would put the numbers for your address. So I had one. It's like $300. Awesome. I want my house to look nice, right? So I buy one, put it in. Thing's heavy as can be, like hundreds of pounds heavy. Anyway, I got it in there. It wasn't in there for a year, I bet. And some knucklehead was driving through this neighborhood and hit it and just destroyed it. So that one's done. So I go and I get a 6x6 post and I notch it and get it all set and ready and put it in there. New mailbox. Awesome. Have a new nice 6x6 notched. It looks really good, heavy duty. And I bet it wasn't in there for 2 years. And some knucklehead on the county came through here plowing snow and took out wiped out the whole pole. Just crushed it or broke it. So now I'm down 2 poles that I was pretty proud of, or posts, I guess. So what does the county do? They bring me this piece of garbage as a replacement. And I told Kristen, you watch, that thing will be sitting there for 30 years and nobody will touch it. Well, I was wrong. Somebody else came through and knocked it out. That's why it's all bent there. But I put it back in place, and I refused to spend any money on a new one. However, Ma wants one. So I'm putting one in for her. So a couple other things we're doing today. I dug these up, these pavers right here, And there, a few years back when my well pump went out, man, I wish I was recording then. That would have been a good video. Anyway, I've been kind of lazy in getting them back in. So I'm gonna put them back in right now. I know what you typically would do was put sand down, pack it, all that stuff. I ain't doing that. I did it long ago. There's sand down there, I promise you. But I'm not putting it back to do this. I'm just going to put these back, try to make it look nice again, and keep moving. Okay, look at that. Got that all edged. Looking sweet again. Missing a plant right there, but that'll be all right. And got this thing put back in for her. Or not put back in, but planted. This isn't a plug for anybody, because I know several different manufacturers have these systems, but these little cases that mount right to your other cases and lock in. Look at that. Unlock it. I've got all my assortment of fasteners right here with my drill. It's pretty nice. Perfect.
Ride it to church here.
What is this, you ask? It is the throttle assembly for my fishing boat. Doing a little spring maintenance on things. Wondering how deep I should get into this. The problem is it's very hard to, the throttle is very hard to mess with. Trying to get it in and out of gear. It needs grease, but I mean, it looks like it's pretty greased up. Not sure where the problem's at. Might be the cable. Bet that's it. So I'm gonna put this thing back together because I don't have any cable dressing, so right this minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. So when you see a lot of people with boats, they have what are called the earmuffs. They put them down here on the intake. The intake water is down here. The impeller brings the water up a couple tubes into the head to help cool the head. And then that water is discharged right here. So you saw that little stream of water coming out. That's the water going through the engine. I don't have those earmuffs. I don't really like them. I've always used a trash can, and this works fine. I think it's ready to go for this summer. I'm ready to go fishing. What are we playing?
Uno flip.
Uno flip.
Not sponsored.
Uno flip.
No promo.
Hashtag not sponsored. This is how we.
That wasn't even a Harley.
The cars here are incredibly loud.
Can I be the dealer?
This is our Sunday night.
No, I was gonna do.
We just ate dinner.
I know.
Now we're gonna play Uno flip
We have to dessert.
before we go up to bed.
Only won the game because it's too late to play two.
This way. Unless I win really fast. Unless I win really fast.
I'm the game master.
Mommy won the game. This weekend is over. Say goodbye.
Oh, we have 3 more days till we go.
Say goodbye.